Dear students, welcome to our lesson today, Revision 2, Grammar, Modules 1 to 2. Learning Objectives. Our learning objectives today: 1. Use present simple to talk about routines. 2. Use present progressive to talk about current events. 3. Use past progressive to describe events in the past. Today, we will study in student book page 9 and page 21. Now, let's move to student book page 9. Grammar books, look. Let's read the sentences together. He usually checks his email in the morning. He doesn't usually check his email in the morning. If you look at the verbs in red, we notice that the first sentence, the verb comes with S. Okay, and the second sentence, we have doesn't and check. This is excellent, present, simple. It talks about things that boy usually does. Excellent routine. Now let's take the other part. Sentence 1, I'm reading a book now. He is having breakfast now. They are doing karate at the moment. I'm not reading a book now. She isn't tidying her room now. We aren't watching TV right now. If we compare these sentences to the sentences on the left, we notice that the verbs in red comes with ing. Excellent. Yes, ing. And notice that the verb is happening now at the moment of speaking. Excellent. On the right, we have, are you reading a book? Yes, I am. Or, no, I'm not. Is Hasna doing her homework? Yes, she is. Or, she isn't. Are the children playing in the garden? Yes, they are. Or, no, they aren't. Can you tell me what type of questions are these? Excellent. These are yes or no questions. And the tense is excellent, present progressive. Why? Because the verb is taking action at the moment of speaking. Excellent. Let's move now together to the second present simple structure. Subject pronoun plus the verb. These are the subject pronouns I, you, they, and the verb infinitive without any addition. For example, I always tidy my room. In the negative form, we use don't with I, you, we, they. He, she, it, we add to the verb s. He eats, she eats. For example, he sometimes goes to the park. Excellent. Now let's study the present progressive structure. Yes, excellent. The verb with ing. We always start with subject pronoun or noun plus verb with ing. Excellent. And sometimes we have object, sometimes we don't. Okay, for example, I am and the verb ing, drinking. juice. So I am drinking juice. Excellent. He, she, it. Excellent. These pronouns take as and verb ing. Playing football. He is playing football. She is playing football. You, we, they. Yes, with are and verb ing. For example, you are doing karate. We are doing karate. Excellent. Let's study these examples together. I am eating a cake now. Remember, now refers that the action is happening at the moment of speaking. He is playing football this afternoon, around the moment of speaking. You are doing karate today. Excellent. Remember, the verb with ing preceded by am, is, are. So we always use am, is, are plus verb ing. This is present progressive. Describes an action happens at the moment of speaking or around the moment of speaking. All right, let's do this exercise together now. Read and choose the correct answer. In the exams, we have this type of questions usually. All right, let's try to work it out together. Number 1. Selma is her grandma at the moment. And we have different form of verbs. A, B, C, D. So, how can we choose the correct verb form? Always we have, yes, a clue. The clue here is at the moment. It refers to the time. So, the action takes place at the moment of speaking, now. This is not present simple. Yes, it is. Excellent present progressive. Verb with ing. So which choice has the verb with ing? Excellent. C. Helping. Selma is helping her grandma at the moment. Good. 2. Selma always her homework. The clue here is excellent, always, which refers that this is a routine. And routine goes with excellent simple present. So, Selma does. Good. Next, we have this form of questions. Do as shown between brackets. Do as shown between brackets. Sometimes we have to choose the correct verb form. Yes, for example, Hamad is right between brackets at the moment. So, what is needed here to correct the verb? The verb is right. After is, we always use ing. Moreover, we have a clue, which is at the moment, refers to present progressive. Excellent. So we add to the verb ing. Hamad is writing at the moment. Then we write the sentence on the line. 2. Hamad usually study on Saturdays. Correct the verb. We should correct the verb between brackets. So we have a clue in this sentence, on Saturday and usually. So, excellent. This is present simple. We add to the verb s or es. So it is studies. Then we write the whole sentence on the line. Excellent. Now let's move to Students Book, page 21. In your Student Book, page 21, we have this grammar box. Tim was sleeping yesterday at 9 o'clock. Betty wasn't surfing the net yesterday at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Were Ron and Peter playing a computer game? Yes, they were. Or, no, they weren't. Look at the words in red. These words are excellent verbs. Was sleeping. Verbs with ing. But before the verb with ing, we have was, and in the negative form, wasn't, and sometimes were. Excellent. This is excellent past. Past what? Past progressive. Excellent. Past progressive. Let's study the form of past progressive together. Now let's study the structure together. We always start with the subject pronoun plus the verb, plus sometimes object or not. So here we have subject pronoun be and the verb with ing. Excellent. If you notice, it's similar to the excellent present progressive, but here we have the helping verb was. Was is the past of the verb be, plus the verb ing. For example, I was cooking, she was cooking, he was cooking. And we have sometimes the object, I was cooking a dinner. Good. Let's take another example. He was reading a book at 6 p.m. yesterday. The second group of the subject pronouns, you, we, they. Yes, this group takes were, plus the verb ing. You were watching TV. We were watching. They were watching. Excellent. Remember, always we have in the past progressive was and were, plus the verb ing. Good. Second example. They were playing when Dad came. At this specific point of time, they were playing. Good. Let's practice. Choose the correct answer. This type of questions comes usually in the exams. 1. Selma was in the office at 11 a.m. yesterday. A. Work. B. Worked. C. Working. D. Works. So, here we have a clue, which is at 11 a.m. yesterday, a specific point of time in the past. So, it is working, was working. Excellent. 2. They were for the exam when I visited them. Yes, the clue is when I visited them. This is what? Excellent. Past progressive. Was or were plus verb ing. So, the correct answer is studying. Excellent. Well done. Now let's move to the other type of questions, which is do as shown between brackets. Here, Ahmed was prepare his luggage when I saw him. Correct the verb. The clue is when I saw him, a specific point of time in the past. Ahmed was. Excellent. Also, after was we use the verb ing. So, preparing. Then we write the sentence on the line. Number 2. The players were trained at 6 p.m. yesterday. Correct the verb. The clue is at 6 p.m. yesterday, a specific point of time in the past. And we have also where. So, we should add to the verb ing, training. Then, we write the sentence down on the line. Excellent. You did a great job today. Thank you and see you next time.